Welcome back to the channel, everyone. As Bitcoin is pushing to the upside, we have important things to go over today that I need to bring to your attention. I told you guys I was looking to long all of this down here. We had a beautiful bounce off 52.6. I got a lot of hate in the comments last week saying I was wrong, we're dumping, we're going down to 40k, and everyone's tune's kind of changing now. Stick to the program, everyone. I don't falter. I don't waver. I do my own thing, and that's why I am successful. I'm trying to bring to you the goods. We had a correction here as an ABC. I told you to long this area. I told you, my premium members in Discord, I told them to long, and we are sitting pretty right now, baby. I'm ultimately looking for this trend line to hold on Bitcoin. Very important for me, but we're going to analyze the entire Bitcoin structure and what I'm looking for. We do have some areas that I'm looking to take profit, important key levels that I'm going to bring to your attention. And we're also going to look over this structure that is playing out here. And we need to be aware that this may turn around and come to the downside. And I'm going to show you why. Guys, stick around for this entire video. As you can see, I am long. We are in nice profits right now. This is Blowfin. If you are looking to trade a no KYC exchange, Blowfin is what everyone is using. It is what I use. If you head down to the pinned comment, click the link to go to Blowfin. This link that is the best link, and I will tell you why. If you click the link, it'll bring you over to the promotion page. You sign up with your email. This is the initial deposit bonus they're running right now. It is ending in 2 days. Take advantage of it now. Capitalize on it now before it ends. These deposit bonuses are crazy. So go get your deposit bonus. Start trading. I'll see you over on Blowfin. Now let's get into the charts. All right. Removing everything here. Removing everything. So I'm going to go over this real quick. One last time, I say it in every video, I am looking for this high to get broken before this low gets broken. I am looking for a finished correction here of this entire move, and I want to see impulsivity to the upside to about 67k, right? That's where I'm at. Could barely sweep liquidity here if we pull fibs on this entire move. The 786 is a quick sweep of liquidity. Valid point to turn around at. It's at 65.5. The 1-to-1 is at 69.7. I do not want to see this high get broke. If we creep up this high, there is a lot of liquidity at 70, 71, and 72k. If we come up this high, I am worried we might overthrow and take this out. I'm going to have to reevaluate the count, but 786 looks beautiful at 65.5. 60k, I'm looking to take a good amount of profits off the table. I'll tell you now, and I'll explain why. But this is at a point where you may want to take profits if you're long. I'm going to tell you why, and I'm going to tell you what a bearish count looks like here as well. All right. Now, even though I am long from the literal wick, I'm sitting pretty. It's nice to be in a long and sit back and relax and not have to worry about everything. But I am still watching out for trades constantly. Still watching out for trades constantly. In the premium Discord, I did post an alert today on this short for Ethereum. I said it was a scalp short. Beautiful entry, and followed through. Played out perfectly, as you can see. Perfectly. Hit targets, bounce right off of that. We're seeing what it does right now. But if you guys are not in the premium Discord yet, I don't know what you're waiting for. The free Discord is linked in the description below. Access to the free community. I do post free alerts. Click upgrade here once you're in there. Code 25 off will give you $25 off the first month. You get my daily alerts, non-stop action as to what I'm doing. My 24/7 live Elliott Wave charts. My Elliott Wave course is included in here, as well as indicators. I try to make it worth your money and include as much as I possibly can. So check it out. Give it a try. For 1 month, you get $25 off your first month. All right. Now back into the Bitcoin chart. So what I am looking for in my trade that I am in, and I am long, is for this trend line to hold. It's as easy as that. And something that I am eyeing up right now is currently I have a starting wave. I have a correction, ABC correction down. So I could say, you know, might be finished right there. Now we have a correction to the upside. That is a corrective wave. I can't get an impulsive wave out of it yet. We could be wave 4ing into an impulse. Then, okay, we can call it an impulsive wave. But right now, it looks like a correction. What it could be, if we pull fibs, is just a giant upward sloping flat correction. I don't like it. It's not pretty, but it could be the case, and we could be finished. We have hit targets here. Right at the 1618 box, technically the 1272, and it is impulsive down. That is what we're looking for in a flat: a correction down, a correction up that broke the high, and an impulsive wave to the downside. You're looking at a correction in this area. We have hit this area. We could have impulsed out, corrected down, and now we're starting a bigger move to the upside, right? Up towards 60K. That will give us more of a 5-wave finished look. That's what I'm hoping for here. I don't want any more stress. I don't want any more hair loss. I do not want this to come down and mess around. I am entered right here. My stop loss is probably going to end up being somewhere in this area. I don't even want to deal with it. If this comes down and breaks this area right here, I'm not going to be happy about it. I'm not going to be happy about it. I want this to hold. CPI comes out tomorrow morning. I am expecting some type of movement like this right now, maybe come down into the morning, take liquidity, and then CPI comes out. I'm expecting a CPI pump tomorrow morning. Take that to the bank and deposit that. I'm expecting a CPI pump tomorrow morning. We'll see if my expectations are correct. But yeah, we're sitting long, and I'm going to show you the bearish look here as well. So if you're looking to hop in long, I would tell you, you want the trend line to hold. You do not want this level right here to get taken out. You're looking for, 55, 415 is the area. I'm like, okay, I'm over it. I would be looking, number one, you can long this stop loss right here and hope that it's that flat that I called out earlier, and you're in a 1-2 and you're trying to catch the wave 3 to the upside. Valid long up to 60K, right? Valid long up to 60K from right where we're at, 56,728. Now, if you are watching this video a little later in time, another thing I'm looking at is for a correction here. Right here, here's your correction, right into this pocket. Nice short to come down and sweep liquidity. Again, I do not want this level to get broken. And I would be looking to long this. If we pull fibs on a move like this, you're looking to long around 55.9, 56K. And that would be a long like so. Right? Or it could come up, sweep liquidity here, and that would be our 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You could correct, and boom, and that could be our 5th wave. All right. But what I am hoping for is the finished flat correction, and we are starting a nice big move to the upside. That's what I'm hoping for. Wave 4 out, come up for one more. Wave 5 up to 65K, that 786 level I was talking about, and that's going to be our finished 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 waves that I'm looking for. Then we can start looking short. I'm riding this sucker up. Now, if you are bearish, I will say this does look like an ABC. Again, I have an impulse up from the bottom, and right now I only have a correction up. I would expect a 5-wave impulse at least. So maybe we come to the 2 to 58,434. Once I see a finished 5 waves, if we start to reject and give a move like that, yeah, I'm looking at more downside. That would be a finished ABC correction in my books. More downside to come. And as we zoom out, yeah, no matter how I look at it, this wave does not look finished. This looks like a correction for more upside, but in the case it is not. This could be a flat right here, some type of a flat. and then more downside. So I would look at this as not being a finished ABC structure yet, and having our ABC be like that, down to about 50K. 50K would be my target on that one. So if we do see some type of rejection here, I would be looking at 50K level. If this breaks, that's my next level to look long. I'm going to keep looking long, guys. I'm going to keep looking long because I'm expecting this high to get taken before this low gets taken. I really want to short this level and see if we can get a nice solid move down to 40K at that point, right? So we're looking at a correction here. Whether this wants to come down further, still correct, and then 40K. That's where I'm at, guys. I'll see you in the Discord. Smash the like button if you watch us all the way through. Sign up for Blowfin. Do not miss that deposit bonus. It ends in 2 days. Appreciate you watching the video. I love you all. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.